Yes, welcome. So, welcome again, guys. Welcome, my good people, again to this episode, this tutorial. I really, and before we start, I wanna thank you for your support. Thanks, guys, for subscribing, and thanks for watching our video. Thanks for those who are watching actually our previous video, and then those who are showing up. Thanks a lot. My God bless you. So let us learn this one. We are learning today this rumba. Actually, this is a tutorial. This is a rumba tutorial, and I will show you how you can play this, and this will help you. You can use it while you are creating. In one exercise you can create your own. So thanks, guys. And maybe you need a private lesson with me, one on one to one. You will just inbox me. My number is on my profile. You will text me on WhatsApp, or just text me. My number is there, here on on your screen there. I'm Joel Ngovi Solaro, and welcome. Yes. I don't need to forget this. You can follow us too on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Here on YouTube as Joel Ngovi Solaro. Me, I just love you, and welcome. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and then comment kindly, so that YouTube will we suggest this video to many people, and many will learn from us. Thank you very much. Here we go. Guys, it starts like this. It's 1 4 5 for a rumba, and I am in C. Right? So we are in C. So 1 4 5 4. And this is another one. So I'll start like this. The pick and this finger, sorry. So I'll go, this is one, and then I will choose this one. This finger will come and will pick one, and the smaller one will pick 1 2 3. This is 3, so 1 and 3, right? 1 but in the octave, and then this one will pick 3. How do we count 1 2 3 and 1? So 1 and 3, 4th strings, 1st strings. So I will go, and then you see, and this hand will come here, just there, and this one will come here, right? So this will come on the 4th strings there, and this one will come on the 1st strings there, right? So, and here I'm playing like this. Respect the finger. Which finger is playing which strings? This is 5. So this is 5 because this is 1 4 5. So after Same position, but I will come back here. Same position. Eh? Same position. And then this is 5, eh? And 4. Eh? You know this is 4, eh? 1, 4, 5. So let's go slowly, slowly. After there, you will come right. So you will slide. This is 1 in this position. Second strings and third. So and here will be like this. After you should start after, but the second time will be and then 4th and 2nd strings is actually in this position, but I'm playing. I'm playing them at the same moment, eh? Pick and the you return the same progress, the same process. Remember we said so. Then the solo. I will come here. I was in this position. I will come here and I will start. Secondly, will come on 4. This represent 4. Right? And then you return this one. You will add So thank you very much. Do not forget to like and to subscribe, and then comment. Tell us how you have seen the exercise. My God bless you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Good morning or good night. It will depend on the place